Hi, I'm Karen. This is my puppy Pepper. We're going to go through scattered sticks. Now, this is similar to the rainbow ladder, but the spaces between the poles are completely random. Again, all mine are on the floor because she's a puppy. The best way to set this up is just to get some broom handles, plastic poles, or some jump poles and just drop them on the floor. And then lay your dog through them. So they have to really think about now where they're placing their feet because there isn't a rhythm for them. They're completely random. And she's having to think about, oh, there's a pole there, I need to lift her feet up. Good girly. Now it doesn't matter if they click them. These will just roll around, yes. And then what I tend to like to do is just move them around a little bit as well. Just do them so they're not actually rolling, they are stable. Good girly. I know. Good girly. So you want them walking or trotting through, not actually jumping through like Pepper just demonstrated there. Good girly. And then I just keep mixing them up, so she has to keep thinking about it. Good girly. Good girly. Thank you.